is up, guys, and thanks for tuning in to Vitamin D TV. I'm Vitamin D, and today we're here at Bob Sykes Fishing Bridge. Now, Bob Sykes is an old school fishing bridge. It's been here a long time. It's somewhere in between Pensacola Beach and Gulf Breeze, and today we are fishing the Pensacola Beach side. So we're just gonna come out here. A couple of friends and myself decided to plan a trip, come out here and see if we can't just get on any kind of bite. So a lot of the bait shops are out of live shrimp, so we brought our cast nets and we're gonna get some bait, put some lines in the water and see what we can do. If you guys want, stick around, let's go fishing. What was all that bait you got? Where'd you get them? On the right hand side over there? Yeah, nice. Heck yeah.
And there's probably gonna be more later on at the bridge and fishing.
All right, guys, so we just made it out here. We are towards the end of the bridge, as you can see, but it's a nice morning. Bluebird skies. It's about 64 degrees right now, and it's supposed to be picking up in winds here as the day goes on, but we're gonna do the best we can, and y'all stick around. Let's see what we can do. Let's go. Well, I guess we'll throw this little swim jig a little bit just to get started. Just a matrix shad. If I get something big, I don't know how I'm gonna get it up. We don't have a pier net. All right, guys, we're gonna go with a LY. He's barely alive. But that should be all right. And we got just a Carolina rig, egg weight, with about a 1.5 to 2 foot leader, and a small circle hook. Just flip that guy out there. You got a J hook? I feel like he's getting 8, but he could be just running. It's crazy how chilly it's been. Like, you know, it warmed up real good and then it just dropped. It's my first time using this rod. Yeah, this is a Penn Battle 5000 series. Got this daddy at the Outcast sale.
Oh yeah.
Still on there.
Huh? Oh no, yeah.
All right, guys, change of plans. Bob Sykes was not producing. We only stayed there about an hour and a half, but we didn't want to waste our whole morning trying to get a bite. The bite was super slow. Crabs kept taking our bait. So here we are at Fort Pickens. Yeah, we know there's fish here. There's always fish here year round, and we're just gonna get out here, see what we can do. You guys stay tuned and let's get on them. Let's go. It's pretty cool. Haven't even made it to the pier yet. Already seeing people who recognize me from the channel. I appreciate that. If you guys haven't, be sure to like, subscribe, comment. Tell me what you think. Yeah, let's get out here, see if we can't make a day of it. I'm excited. One thing that we're having problems with right now is the water is really stained, which causes the bite to be a little bit more tough the fish kind of get a little more lethargic because it messes up the salinity of the water, as well as they can't see as well and they kind of move around a little bit. But we're gonna try and make the most of it. Let's go. What'd you break off that last time? All right. Wind is picking up. Let's see what happens. Or I know they're always under. Like if you flip under, you'll probably get bit, but you might get broke off. Flip out there. Got on already? Got him a snapper. Yeah, that's a snapper.
I thought that was a mangy. Thought it was a mangy.
Get him.
What's up, man? I'm a big fan.
What's up, brother? That's a little better one, but.
You one of those glass rods?
Yeah. He might bite me off. Huh? Oh, you got more? This is my last one and it's mangled. Amazing. We finally got us a bite. Catch a couple of those.
Why are you just tying it mono?
I tied it to mono, just risking it all.
What are you throwing?
Alright guys, it's a slow bite, but I just... Alright guys, slow bite, but I just got this Spanish mackerel right here. They gotta be 12 inches to keep. They gotta be 12 inches to keep. Toothy guy. We'll throw them in the cooler, see if we can get another one. Let's go.
Dang, son. Oh, yeah.
Show
We
us
was talking about rolling. I'm like, fuck, let me throw one more shot.
Show us what you got there, Scotty.
That's a stud there. That's really in the fish.
Got him a nice
That's a
flounder.
stud there, son. Dad, gone. I didn't take a picture of this little. That's my PV flat daddy right there. It is for real? Yeah.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
It's a nice flounder.
Probably about 16, 17. Dang, son, that's a good one.
Well, there you have it, folks. We went out, we did what we could. I only ended up catching that one Spanish mackerel, which I am actually pleased to catch that because I haven't been fishing here lately. I'm sure you guys have noticed. And yeah, it was just nice to get out there and wet a line. So either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry about not posting content in the past few weeks, but I am going to try and start getting back out there as much as I can to try and get you guys some content to keep you guys tuned in to the channel. The channel is still growing, and I really do appreciate that. I actually ran into a lot of fans today, people who were either subscribed to the channel or people who just happen to scroll and see the channel and watch a couple of my videos. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys watching. If you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe, and we'll have some more footage coming your way. So I'm Vitamin D for Vitamin D TV, and I'm out. Peace.